Alright guys, so this is my new P220 chambered in 10mm. We got it inside of this Condition 1 box here. These Condition 1 cases are pretty nice. I like having them for all the storage for the different pistols and magazines that I bring out to my classes. So this P220 Legion, so far I do not have a holster yet for it. I'm waiting on seeing if I can get a leather one made. But if you guys know a good holster company, let me know. What I will tell you about the 10mm. Hopefully you've seen my other P220 video where I was shooting the Sig Elite V Crowns. Those had some kick to them. This ammo seems to be pretty soft shooting, but you can hear it slapping the steel. This is pretty good stuff. I am a huge fan of 10mm, and I did not think I would be. So this is definitely something that's making me reconsider some stuff. With the Legion so far, just a couple of things that I've noticed that I am a pretty big fan for is the undercut, or not the undercut, but the checkering right here underneath the trigger guard is phenomenal. The checkering that they do on the front strap is very nice as well. This is a wonderfully textured grip, so it really locks your hand in for some of these other shots. So I'll quit talking. Let's shoot a little bit more, and then we'll come back to the case. All right, so we're at about 15 yards right here, guys, and I'm just going to kind of switch it up a little bit with some of our different targets, and we'll move some of these barrels down just so you guys can see the targets a little bit better. We were out here doing a pistol course, so I had these up here to work as barriers for some of the students. So, all right, guys, let's see what we can do. Oh, just shy. Got it. Got it. Very soft shooting, guys. Now the pistol does weigh about 45 ounces. So with that, it's needed. I will tell you, it honestly doesn't feel too much different than shooting a 45 ACP pistol at all. So it's pretty nice recoil to it. Not too bad. One thing that I will say for individuals that come out here and shoot, I am very used to shooting either my 1911 or a Glock style pistol. I am not used to really having a double action, single action, so I'm getting used to it. One of the ways that I'm getting used to it is every magazine change, I put it back on double action. And the primary reason for that is so I can get used to that being the first trigger press every single time. All right, guys. Hey, let's take a step forward here, and we'll do some speed, some little faster shooting drills. So this one is what I normally will call Sarge's Draw. It's where I shoot 2 rounds in under 2 seconds. Since I'm not coming from a holster, I'm going to try to do it in under 1.5. So let's see if I can do that. And with the 10mm, we'll see how well I can control it. So I had it 1.4. We'll try to see if I can speed that up. And remember, guys, this is 10mm, so let's see how fast I can do it here. So 4 shots in 1.8, and man, this thing is pretty nice, guys. Pretty nice. All right, let's head back to the case, guys, so I can reload real quick. So a couple thoughts. So far, I definitely think that it is worth the money, okay? I've seen a lot of people who have reviewed this pistol before. They've talked about how they don't think it's a big enough difference between the original models to really warrant the price tag that it comes with. I got this one for just shy of under $1,400. And I think it was worth every single penny spent. No issues at all with the pistol. So far, it's been reliable. We're going to shoot a couple hundred rounds out of it today, but so far there have been zero issues out of it. I am pretty impressed with it overall, guys. Some of the bigger features to it, like I've already talked about, but mainly those sights. The Sig X-ray sights are phenomenal. They are about the only sights that I'll recommend other than excess big dots. They're blacked out in the rear and a big green front dot in the front, so similar to the style anyway, but very nice sights. The controls are pretty nice, guys, and we'll do a close-up of those as well. So with the controls, they're minimalized over the other P series of them. These were a whole lot larger, and with the Legion series, they shrunk them down a little bit. So for me, I like doing a normal thumbs forward grip, and I've had no issues of accidentally hitting the slide stop and locking it open, or some of the other issues people have talked about. That has not bothered me at all. So it's been pretty nice overall, guys. So let's head back out here, and we'll put some more distance to it. We'll back out to about 25, shoot through the shooting board, and see how I do. Alright guys, so we are about 25 yards here. I am going to shoot that silhouette target. Got it. Alright, now let's see if I can hit that far left steel plate. Got him? Let's see if I hit the one next to it. Oh, missed it. I can't wait till I get a holster in. Put on double action. All right. We'll hit those hanging two targets right there on the far right. Alright guys, I am empty, so we're going to reload, and then we're going to go take it out to 50, and we'll see how well we can do out there with the last magazine. So, you guys can let me know in the comments what you guys thought overall about some of the shooting with it. And we'll actually load 2 more magazines. I want to do one shooting it pretty fast, because I saw something where people talked about you can't end without doing a mag dump. So we'll do one to shooting it pretty fast, and then we will do one putting it out at 50 yards, and I'll shoot that silhouette target. So let's see if I can control it, guys. Alright, so right here, I'd say we're about 12 yards, and we're just going to go ahead and empty the pistol. Missed 2 there. We'll give it another shot. Much better. Alright, so let me load this up. We'll go take it to 50, hit the silhouette, and then we'll call it a day, guys. Alright, let's head back up here. So, if you guys are going to be shooting a double action, single action pistol, one thing that I highly recommend, especially if it is going to be forward carry, really focus on practicing with that double action trigger, right? Too many times we get in the habit of just doing what's easiest for us, and that's going to be the single action trigger all day. We need to practice for more than that. Your first shot out of the holster is going to be on double action. I heard someone say that we should, it doesn't really matter where that first shot goes, it's supposed to scare them. There are no warning shots, okay? Each shot matters, and there's no excuse for missing. All the shots that I've missed today, I try to recalculate for them and hit that next one and correct my mistakes. You're going to miss, but let's try not to make it an okay thing to do. All right, so double action. Let's see how I do on the silhouette. Go double action again. Go double action again. Double action for this last one, guys. All right, so this has been the Sig P220 Legion. I am a huge fan of this pistol. This will be put in a holster, and this will get put as my everyday carry. I'm going to actually carry this pistol, guys, and I'll be doing update videos and letting you guys know how that went, okay? So I'll keep you guys up to date. If you like this video, let me know. If you all would like to see other things, let me know down in the comments. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Keep following with what's going on here at the channel. We have a lot of new things coming out. As always, stay tuned for more. Sarge out.